Morrison, welcome.
Thank you.
A new season, a new shirt number. First of all, let's talk about your number. Why the change of number? Because last season you were sporting the 3 shirts. This season you've taken up a new shirt.
Yeah. It's because I want something different this season, and I think the number 11 is more suitable than the number 3. Is
it a personal favorite number, or you feel like this is more of an advanced figure, so I should go and then pick it up?
No, it's a favorite. It's a favorite because way back at Kingfish I was using number 11, and most of the players I look up to also wear number 11, so it's a favorite number.
So talking of players you look up to, would you mind sharing some of them?
Okay, Mesut Ozil.
Yeah.
Mesut Ozil have been someone I've been looking out for, and I've been watching him, so that's the reason why I go for number 11.
Okay. We didn't start the season well, but gradually we found our feet in a way, winning consistent number of games. But we've seen you playing in a different position. How would you sum up the start of the season, the first round of it?
Yeah, like you said, we didn't start the season well, and we just thank God that everything is working out, because it's difficult. It's difficult how we started the season, and where we are now is difficult because a lot of hard work have to be put in, and strategy and change of system and everything. You know, we didn't start the season with the system that we are playing now, and going back to this system is very difficult. How the coach has been using me is very difficult, and it's very helpful to the team as well, and my colleagues, not only me, because we had people that we have changed of positions and we are doing well over there. It's difficult, but it's a system that is giving the results, so we need to keep working and to adopt the system and just keep winning.
You are playing from a wing-back position. How are you adapting to that position, and how are you loving playing in that role this season?
Like I said, it's very difficult, and I personally believe in every system and in every position that a player they will be given to you. You just need time. You just need time and focus and hard working to just keep the position and like to deliver on the field. It's good. I know the coaches know best, and they saw what is inside some of us and they put us there. So it's good. I'm enjoying the position and I'm playing well. Sometimes I just go off, but I'm more offensive minded than the defensive. So sometimes I just go off, but it's part of the game.
You guys have been playing so well, creating some decent chances. There are matches that after games you hear spectators and even sports personalities saying that this is a game that you could have won by a bigger margin.
Yeah.
Do you agree with whoever comes up with this kind of narrative, and what do you see as the ability of your squad?
Yeah, I do agree with everyone who is saying that, because when we are attacking, when you look at our attacking force, and some games that we didn't get enough goals or enough results, you could see that we have more opportunity to score or to win the game hands down. So I agree, and going forward, we think we're going to work on that. We're going to, and the qualities in the team, you can testify. We have a lot of quality. We have a lot of quality in the team. Even our bench is more dangerous than the starting 11. Unless you don't have the eye to see. If you have the eyes, you see our bench. When we give them time and we support them, they are more dangerous more than the first 11.
How fun it is to play in this side. We have a lot of youngsters blend with experienced players, and how much of a cover do you get from a player, for instance, like Narteh? How is it like, the fun aspect of playing the new rule and then a little bit of Narteh?
I think it's respect. It's respect between the both of us. Narteh respects me as I respect him. He talk to me on the field of play very maturely, and I listen to him as my brother. if I talk to him too, he also listens. So that's the communication between the both of us make things easier for us.
Yeah. You see the quality on the wings, especially. You talk of the wingers. You yourself, you are a winger. You can also play in the number 10 role. You talk of Narteh, Baba, now Mensah will be joining the team soon. You talk of Isaac Opon and Mukwala up front, Kalu Ouattara. Do you think that your team, you are strong enough to win the trophy, as you said when you signed for this club, that you want to win the league with the club?
Yeah, no doubt, because we have a very strong team, and I believe going forward, as we have picked up our momentum and our the winning ways, we pray that God will give us the strength to keep going. If we continue like this, how we work at training and how we put in the effort at match, if we continue like this, nothing is going to stop us from winning the league. And I think it's just 3 points from the top, and it's anytime we see those things, it motivates us a lot. And talking about the player qualities, you have someone like Mukwala, you have someone like Narteh, you have someone like Isaac Opon, you have someone like Justice Blay. When you look at this squad, and you, not to compare, but you look at other clubs, I think there's nothing that is going to make it difficult for us for winning the trophy.
Yeah. You spoke about a host of names in the squad. How instrumental is Richmond Narteh? What sort of a player, if you had to describe him in a word, how would you describe him?
As for me, I've known him way back. I always call him Maestro. And you know, when they call someone Maestro, you know the reasons behind the name Maestro. So I just call him Maestro.
Yeah. You are working with under a new manager, Prosper Narteh, who doesn't joke with his drills and the tactics and everything. How are you enjoying playing under him?
Coach, as for me, to my side, Coach is a very serious person, and he does not joke with his job, whether training or whether anything. He wants you to give everything. He just wants to see you giving everything. And when you are tired and you can't go anymore, that's when he started, he will be happy for you. When you start running, Coach will just be standing watching you. But when you are tired and you can't push anymore, I quite remember the last time I said, Coach, no go back home in Ghana, meaning there's something I'm feeling something over here, and he started laughing. So after training, I asked him, he said, that's what I want to see. I want to, when you are tired, that's when I want. Because when you are tired, that's when you gain or you get something more to add up with what you already have. So that's how he's explained to me, and I know he's a serious person.
The turnaround in terms of performance and the results that you are gaining, obviously it's a collective effort. But if you had to pick who has been your best player for the first round, who would you choose and why?
Ooh, this is a quite difficult one. Mukwala has been giving us the results, and Narteh has been giving us the assist. I think I'll go and this is a difficult one. Sorry, he's been brilliant in the post. But I think in all, I think I'll give it to Narteh. I'll give it to Narteh because he has been amazing. He has been amazing, and he has been consistent for us. So I'll give it to Narteh.
So in the second round, what should we expect from you guys?
We just continue the good work. We're just praying that as we are going on this break, we will stay focused, or everybody will stay decent, and we will come back with new mentality and keep on winning for the club, because that's all Kotoko is about, winning, winning, winning. So we just pray that we continue with the good work.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.